What's up guys, over here, and today I'll be showing you how to restore your headlights. Headlights over time becomes yellow, the clear coat wears off and causes it to oxidize, like this headlight. So we're gonna turn this to this. Like a brand new headlight that only costs you around 500 pesos or even less. So here's what you'll need. Trash bag, masking tape, scissors, 500 to 800 grit sandpaper, 1000 to 2000 grit sandpaper, tissues, alcohol, clear coat, spray bottle with water. So we're gonna start off with the 800 grit sandpaper. Now make sure to spray water all over the headlight. Make sure it's clean as well. There's no large debris or dirt. And also spray water on the sandpaper because we're gonna wet sand the whole headlight. So now start sanding it off. Make sure to not sand your paint or your body. Make sure to put tape or masking tape on the edges of the headlight to be sure that it will not scratch or you'll not scratch or sand it off. So after sanding a few minutes, you'll notice a milky substance. That's the old coat or a thin layer of the oxidized plastic. So go all over the area, sand it off well. Take your time sanding the headlight, do not rush it. This is a preparation for painting it with the clear coat, so make sure you're doing the right job before you paint. So here's a comparison of the unsanded headlight, the oxidized one, compared to the sanded headlight, which looks quite hazy. So that's fine, it will really look like that, so don't be scared or don't get nervous. It will get clearer later. So now we're gonna sand it off with 1000 grit sandpaper. So now, same process as earlier, sand everything well, don't miss a spot. Take your time sanding it. Now we're gonna mask it off with our trash bags. So make sure you cover every spot of your paint or your body so that overspray won't get on those areas. So after masking your paint or body, it's time to wipe it with alcohol. So make sure you wipe the whole headlight so that the oil from your fingers and other dirt will be off. So this is crucial. Make sure your headlight is clean before you paint. Now it's time to paint the headlight with our clear coat. So now shake the can and be ready to spray your headlight. So in this part, you could see that I'm going a bit faster. So make sure you do it much slower than I did. That's to make sure that the paint gets all over your headlight and it doesn't skip a portion of your headlight. So make sure to go in a good pace, not too fast and not too slow as well. And make sure you begin spraying outside the headlight area and end it outside as well. So wait for like 5 to 10 minutes, and after that we're gonna spray our second coat. So same process, do not go too fast or too slow. Go in a good pace and make sure that you are properly distance from your headlight. Do not spray too close and do not spray too far. Make sure you cover all area of your headlight. Do not miss a spot. Make sure those crevices or the edges are sprayed as well. So after spraying it with your second or third coat, make sure to leave it there and have it dry. So after that, it's time to remove the mask. So here's a shot of the headlight before. You could observe that the top portion is yellowish. That's because of the oxidation. And here's an after shot. After sanding it down, spraying it with clear coat, it's looking brand new, which ups the worth and gives you more visibility. So we also did the driver's side. So here is a before shot and here's the after. To prove, here's a shot of the low beam and then the high beam of the oxidized headlight and then low beam and high beam of the restored headlight. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video and you could apply it on your car as a DIY project for the weekend. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video guys. I really appreciate it for the support. Thank you.